A disturbing murder case involving the death of a 4-month-old baby headed to a grand jury.
Markeise Caldwell is accused of killing his girlfriend's infant and critically injuring the baby's older brother. Caldwell
was in court for a preliminary hearing, and our Shelby Myers was there. Shelby, just more gruesome details being released in court.
Yeah, Lenise, they were. A mobile detective testifying it was 3 days after the alleged abuse, before the baby was even taken to the hospital.
Markeise Caldwell appearing stable in court for his preliminary hearing this morning. A more subdued demeanor compared to his initial appearance. The suspect appeared to break down after the judge read the details of his capital murder and child abuse charges.
He's very emotional. He's 25 years old and he's facing something like this where, if convicted, he may never get out again or could lose his life.
The Mobile man is accused of killing his girlfriend's infant and critically injuring the baby's 1-year-old brother.
This was an extremely horrific, egregious act that happened to a 4-month-old baby.
An autopsy report describes the baby's cause of death as blunt force trauma to the head and abdomen. A Mobile police homicide detective testified in court that Caldwell allegedly punched both children in the stomach multiple times. The detective said Caldwell grabbed the 4-month-old and slammed his head on the footboard of the bed repeatedly. Caldwell has pleaded not guilty, but when he was arrested, he told us at the time he was drunk and lost his temper.
I did something very, it's horrible, y'all. To the world, y'all, I'm not this person.
Today, Caldwell's attorney claiming the evidence is only testimonial.
The evidence to this point is the defendant's own statements. And it's early on. We don't have access to the recordings. We don't, the detective testified that everything was Mirandized and all of the legal requirements were there, but, we have to verify that.
Prosecutors plan to seek the death penalty.
We certainly feel that we have a very strong case.
Now, prosecutors say Caldwell was also watching after his girlfriend's 5-year-old, but would not say if the 5-year-old was also abused. The 1-year-old alleged victim is in stable condition. Live in the newsroom, Shelby Myers, Fox 10 News.